Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Talk. I'm Leo.
And I'm Amy. It's great to see you all again.
Amy. Today we're doing something a little different. Even though we work together, I realize we've never actually done a proper self-introduction for our listeners.
That's true. We always talk about news or movies, but never about ourselves. So, where should we start?
Let's start with the basics. I'll go first. My name is Leo. I'm 25 years old, and I grew up in a small town by the sea. I love surfing.
Oh, I didn't know you were a surfer. That's cool. Do you go every weekend?
I try to, but lately I've been too busy with this podcast. How about you, Amy? Where are you from?
Well, I'm originally from the city. I've lived in an apartment my whole life. I'm a bit older than you. I'm 29 and I work as a graphic designer when I'm not recording with you.
A graphic designer? That explains why our logo looks so good. Did you always want to be an artist?
Not really. When I was in middle school, I wanted to be a chef because I loved eating. But then I realized I'm much better at drawing food than cooking it.
Laughs, I can relate. I can't cook anything besides toast. So, besides drawing, what do you do for fun?
I'm a big fan of photography. I love walking around the city and taking photos of old buildings. It's relaxing. What about you, Leo? What's your hobby?
I'm a big coffee nerd. I spend a lot of my free time looking for the best coffee shops in town. I also like playing video games to relax after a long day.
Coffee and video games. Sounds like a typical weekend for you. Do you have any pets? I have a cat named Mochi.
Mochi. That's a cute name. I don't have any pets right now because my apartment is too small, but I really want a big dog in the future. A golden retriever? Maybe?
Dogs are a lot of work, but they are so friendly.
Definitely. Hey, Amy, let me ask you a deep question. What is one thing you are really proud of?
That's a tough one. I think I'm proud of learning a second language. I've been practicing French for 2 years. It's hard, but I can finally order a croissant in Paris. How about you?
For me, it's this podcast. Starting something new was scary, but I'm happy we're doing it.
Me too, Leo. Me too.
Well, I think that's a good start for our listeners to know who we are.
Agreed. If you guys have any questions for us, feel free to leave a comment.
Thanks for listening to Daily Talk. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.